I often describe inside our program that when people join, they're carrying this really heavy backpack full of rocks. And those rocks are signified by guilt. They're the ones that feel really bad for the situation and the circumstance that they are currently in. They feel guilty for letting their family members down. They feel guilty for letting their friends down, their co-workers down, their buddies down. And this load of rocks is really, really heavy. And what you're going through right now, you're already carrying a bunch of rocks, because what you're going through right now is extremely hard on your body, extremely hard emotionally and mentally dealing with it. And neurologically and physically, it's not fun at all. So you can imagine this backpack of heavy rocks of guilt is certainly not going to help you get better. Even though so many people have recovered, and we've seen people as young as 8 all the way up plus 80 years old and everywhere in between, of all severities, of multiple diagnoses, not just chronic fatigue syndrome, that you still constantly reject that it's possible for you, that you think that you're so different and it's just never going to be possible for you. That's a really sure way that you're not going to get better. And again, it's normal because we think that we're the only ones sometimes, but in reality, we're not. And we've had clients who have been tube fed. We've had clients who have been in wheelchairs. We've had clients who haven't been able to leave their house or bedroom for months and months and months on end and still get better. And it's because they stopped believing that they're so different and that they're so unique that it's not possible for them. And instead they switched it around and realized maybe it is possible. Maybe it would be useful to think that it is possible for me, and what could I do to move forwards with that? Accepting your current reality doesn't mean it's game over. And I think that's really important to say, because so many people believe that if they accept where they're at, that they're failing or they're giving up. It's certainly not the truth. Acceptance is not resignation. Acceptance is the starting point of where you're at right now to get to where you want to go to moving forwards. And we see it all the time inside our program, where they enroll in the program and they just wish they were their old self and they're so focused on the past. But here's the thing. It's very hard to drive forwards when you're looking in the rearview mirror.